Hey friend, y'all ready to do some makeup with me? Well, if not, y'all get your stuff and come on. You see you see the picture? That's what we doing today. We doing that. Ain't it pretty? Yeah, I know you want. I know you want to see me do this because I know you don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Anyways, so I'm taking some concealer and I'm putting it all over my lid. Make sure you apply it evenly, please. And if you're working with the same concealer I'm working with, which is the Camel Concealer from e.l.f. in the color Fair Rose, the Camel Concealer dries down fast, so you need to work quickly, okay? Because it will dry down and it'll be stuck. And you can't put nothing on top of it. It won't work right, okay? So I'm putting my foundation powder all over to help with the blending. And I'm using this Glam Light palette. It's the Paint Palette Pro. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, I'm using that purple. And I know I usually tell y'all to pack on the color first. But if you saw in the picture, her eyeshadow is like very like messy, but in a good way. And it's very like whimsical and it's not super like intense. So we're just going to try to lightly apply this to make it look very whimsical, very fairy-like. So we're not trying to pack on the color. We really want to just go ahead and blend this to give us like a wash, if you will, of color. So that's why you see me blending the color on instead of packing the color on first and then blending. No, I'm going right in with the blending first. So that's why it's taking me a while to build up this color. But take your time. Don't rush. Just build it up, but blend at the same time because, like I said, we want a light wash of this purple color. Because the purple in the crease is lighter than the purple on the outer part, which that's why I'm using this darker purple from this ColourPop palette. It's called Fade to Hue. And we're going to take that, we're going to put that in like our outer V. We're going to start at the end of our eye and take it all the way up to that lighter purple. Like we're making like eyeliner or something. I don't know, girl. Connect it, girl. You see what I'm doing. Do that, okay? And then blend out your why did I leave this part in? I thought I cut this part out. But yeah, just go ahead and pack it on. Like I said, with this concealer, I was struggling because I was not working fast enough. So please heed my warning, friend. Work fast if you don't use this concealer. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm building up this color and then I'm just going to clean up the edge. And you see I have a sharp edge now. And I did cut my crease. And I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion for my crease because they work well. It works well with shimmer. Using this ColourPop palette, it's called 1111. I'm using that icy white color. Now, I don't have the exact eyeshadow that she used. Hers looks like a very silvery, icy, pinky, purpley shimmer. So I had to like do what I had to do. I had to do what I do, baby. So I started off with this white shimmer. And then later on, you'll see I make it do what it do. I add some stuff to it to make it that pretty, shimmery, pinky, purple moment. So I'm using this highlighter from Profusion and okay girl, we see it, put it down. Sorry y'all. I don't know why I left that long clip in, but anyways, so yeah, that particular highlighter, it goes from white to pink. So I put that on top to give me the pink, and then I think I used something else to give the purple, but anyways, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see it. And I got mad because you couldn't see the pink. So, my fault, friend. I don't know why my camera didn't want to, work with me. But, yeah, friend, I don't know why TikTok was playing in my face. But I did film me use this purple eyeshadow on top. And I went back to, record more. And the clip was gone. TikTok, count your days. Count your days, TikTok. But anyways, friend, I'm done. If you want to see how I did the face, that video should already be up. I think. I don't know. But check. But anyways, friend, how I do. I know I didn't record the rhinestones part, but girl, it's just rhinestones. Just get some eyelash glue and stick them rhinestones to your face. But look at me, I'm pretty. I don't like pink blush like that, but I had to do pink blush because it just went with the look. But yeah, friend, make sure you check the cap. Eyebrows. Primer. Foundation. Concealer. Cream contour. Cream blush, banana powder, foundation powder, fixing spray, bronzer, contour, powder blush, nose contour, more fixing spray, setting spray, add shimmer highlight, and your look is complete.